Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye, enjoy.
Why? I the Roma help me. I the Roma help me. Them say the rum no healthy, but I eat I help me. Hey. Me I feel laugh out loud. Me I feel laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just chop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just chop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rum from country. Them rum will let you lonely. Inna the road, they dump on the ground. The old thinking dirty white rum. Me done the Appleton buckle for Senti. And the Kingston rum just attempt me. I want dege rum make me run. And I the thinking dirty white rum. Boodoo baf, boodoo bell, boodoo baf, boodoo baf. And the sound of me hear when him drop. Oh God. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Oh. My friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf baf. I saw him drop. Hey, boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Oh, boodoo baf. Yo, dirty thinking white room. Oh, boodoo baf. Me I feel laugh out loud. Me I feel laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just chop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just chop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rum from country. Them rum will let you lonely. Inna the road, they dump on the ground. The old thinking dirty white rum.
Wait.
Yes.
Father, listen, go on.
Me there chill out, you know, and at school there.
Oh, man, tell him, my brother.
Yeah. Me there cool out, you know. So where there you come from? So where there you come from?
You know, supper food boy, they had me a fault from, man.
So everything up there going.
Boy, it go on good enough, but you see, in the first half there, the bands didn't go on good enough.
Yeah.
So I have to take it. It's here from the board and show them how to deal it up there, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You understand me how to deal it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. For real.
So there you going to get some rest and...
No, you know, so upon the work me I go.
Yeah, well, they have to do your thing, you know? That's the food said.
Yeah, man. Grace, you know something out of.
Yeah, man.
One thing in my woman, you know, you see? For my woman.
Yeah.
If me even stay out at night, she not have a problem with that, you know.
Yeah, you know, say out there on the juggling.
On the juggling, but true, she knows say food boy, I did me bonafide brethren.
You know, say your food that.
Right, no, and I member side there, I come from, man.
But you do your things still.
Yes.
You do your things.
So me I say, but there, man, I saw earlier start the morning.
Yeah, man, I just give me my vibe, you know, and give you lyrics, you know. So, you have to try it, you know, make you feel so nice and take off the stress off of you and feel good in yourself. Yeah. So you have to try it sometime, you know.
So you know, some stress out more while nothing go on.
Yeah, sometimes I have to just take a drink, man.
So it help you?
Well, it help me somewhere when I have stress around me and I take a drink and feel better in myself.
Me not drink, you know.
Yeah?
Because my old man always tell me, say, youth, don't take up this thing.
Yeah.
So it help your stress?
Yeah, man. Sometimes I just have to take a little stress off of me. I don't fight against me with it still, but, you know.
Oh.
I have to take a drink sometimes.
I know, so for me, old man used to stress out himself and me used to see him drink them. So
right.
that's why.
Yeah.
So you know why I cure my stress then?
Well, I tell the eye, you have to take a drink sometime, but I just say go.
So which one is that? Real nephew?
Yeah, real nephew.
Overproof?
Yeah, white rum.
Like, I have to take a one drink one at a time still, because you don't know a whole heap of pressure out upon you get to youth them, you know?
Yeah, man, no pressure, man. And sometimes I have to just take a stress off of you, you know?
Yeah, and look up, you know, so we'll rum up there last night and all me do a smoke.
Yeah? Well...
Eh?
Yeah, man.
And so much rum up there last night, I'm going to take a one drink, lizard.
Yeah, but you better take a drink more and smoking not too nice still, you know, with the rum, take a drink.
Boy, I never go, I don't debate that one there with you, because if I go down the road, remember, you know, we will show you, say, smoking is good, but I go down the road.
Yes. Some man use that for ease the stress too, and the pain, you know.
I go down the road with you, man. But you know what? You see, two me I go up on the work now, because I want to care for the hook up.
Yeah,
I work for under down there.
yeah.
I got the hook up that and say I can't let go the one out of the shop on.
What you mean, man?
Because the boss boy, the pressure in him, man.
Yeah, you have
So you want to look at more, you know.
Yeah, man.
Indian.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, respect, sir.
Alright, say yes, sir.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah. Wait! A nationalist!
Yeah, man. Yes, one love.
Yeah, that one love, you know. I could never two love, you know.
But they are easy.
Yeah,
so
man.
Keep back are easy.
For real, you know. So you know, say, up a four boy there, the other and I come from.
Boy, you know something up there?
Is it up there?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see the eye.
Look, move early.
Oh. So you saw me have to take away the serious from the boy, man.
Yeah, man. Me see it.
The band's boy.
Yeah. And you know when I go on good.
Me have to show them how I deal with it.
That's right. Love how you do it.
So you saw me there perform up there?
Yeah, good performance.
Yeah, man, cause remember, you know, man. We kind of stress one way, so we have to go work out the pain and something, you know?
Yeah. Because, boy, anybody that just to walk one up there.
Yeah, cause close my virgin someone, me I tell you, man. Believe me,
No
man.
pretty, no pretty, no
Not pretty, man.
pretty. No pretty.
And then something I have to use to cure my stress, man.
Eh, that,
Yeah, man.
that can't cure chest, man, so it can cure you. And this.
That,
Yeah, that's it, that time use this.
you know, drink them, man. That help you?
Yes, try this. No, man, where are you with that? That's no good. So me up on of my stress.
So yeah, so that help.
Yes, these are the best for stress. That no good for health, but this are good for health.
As me I say, my general, why? Whole political stress, money stress.
This is how we take off all the stress, all the money stress. All the stress, no problem, this is how we take off it. This is not take off it.
Me feel like this is better, you know.
No, this. You want to try this?
Yeah, let me try one little thing to it now.
Alright, me I go for a cup.
Go on and come.
Come give you a drink. You hear?
Go on and follow.
Alright, me I come.
Two man in a one day tell me say, rum help you better. I must too.
Alright, see me get a cup here.
Let me try it, you know.
Try it. That's it, me here.
A little bit, you know. I don't want the whole heap, you know. Because you're not on a chase upon. That's what you think it.
I don't take, man.
Oh.
Just do a little bit.
Oh, no. You not gonna do me that, you know.
No, man, that not go nowhere. You want more? Let me give you more, man.
One little bit, man.
Ah, you see it now?
So you say, well, help me, sir.
Yes, when you drink it, tell me how you feel. If you don't feel like I say, your chest gone. You see it? You release the chest, not you?
That's all, man.
Right. So this year we work, that's with that. That's no good.
I'm out it, car.
You go smoke it back for your OT. If you dash it, no, you don't know you're not going to smoke it back. Ah, yeah, me I tell you.
That's all, man.
This is down so man.
You know, say you have a pint.
Ah, yeah.
You have a quart.
Yes, man, see it. Whole quart, see it. Whole quart, see it.
No, you have more than a pint.
Yes, me a backer.
Because you see when time I sip it so.
Yeah.
Hold on. It's like it go up on my brain up so brother.
Comfortable.
Comfortable me.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so far today I start drink this.
Yeah, man.
Watch out now. You know, say Lisa just tell me same thing, say you better me drink rum. Lisa don't so I have to start.
I tell you.
I want a bigger man for me, so
Yes.
half it too. So you want to know, see from today.
Yeah.
You see from today.
Yeah.
Big up
Yes,
yourself.
man.
So me I go on the work.
Alright. Tell me how you keep up with it.
Yeah.
Tell me when yes man, yes.
Yeah, man now. Me I go on the work.
Alright, guidance.
Check you, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I tell you how it a go on.
Alright, sir.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
A real big man, you know, and a real out, you know.
True, man.
Yes,
Every
man.
time, man. Every time.
Every time, man.
Every time. Yes, man.
Me I tell you someone a real big man, you know.
Every time.
I want to look up to in a place, you know.
Respect.
Alright,
Yeah.
big up yourself.
Every time.
Auntie Carol,
Yes, sir.
mommy in there.
Yeah.
Alright, big her up.
Yeah.
Wow, a long time if you find this a solution. Yeah. Just a cigarette. Yeah, baby. So me I go up on the road and now. So I can go on, you know?
Yeah, go on the road.
I'm sitting there, man. Oh, man, I'm wallet for now. So,
Come here. I want to talk to you. I really don't want to sit to you, right? I don't want you follow up with drinking business, you know. I don't want you do a whole heap of drinking and a follow Jake boyfriend name.
Jake, so you talk?
Yes. The bad company, them. I don't want you follow him. I mean, no laughing thing.
Jake's a good man. You hear me I say? You see, baby, let me tell you something. You better me drink more than smoke. Because when you smoke, remember your body is not a chimney, you know. So when you suck in a smoke, they go way down there, so. You left tea down there and give all sort of thing. Yes, when you drink, rum come like a sanitizer. So when you eat food with bacteria upon it, it burn out like a instant sanitizer. But good man.
And when me say to you, right? You cannot manage drinking.
You can't manage it, man.
You, when you are drink,
Me drink what me can manage.
you drink what you can manage and not behave so when you drink.
Yeah, but sure, don't bother with it, man. You know what's some love it, man.
Everything you take for joke, I mean in a no joke thing.
Gracie, me go
Rampus
on
me
the road.
in a no joke thing. Me no want you drink and I follow your bad company friend.
Jake's on a bad company. Jake's on just my virgin.
From you and him a pay drinking business, you know.
No say so, man. Jake's on just my virgin, man. So, hear me I say. Cookie food, the money, me let the money. Oh, sorry about that. Just cookie food and 2,000 I can cook dinner.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so me I go up on the road now.
Well, you need to tell me what you want. Or just cook something.
Just cook some chicken back soup, man.
Alright.
See?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so later, yeah? Come on, no, you know me love you already, man. Later.
Rampus,
Eh?
me I warn you again. No bother with the drinking, you hear me tell you?
Gracie, you want me already, more time you want me, Gracie.
Me done talking.
Tell you say better you drink a little alcohol than smoke. Sure, baby.
Alright,
Later.
have a good day.
Now go look something for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Here we go.
You know you go feel.
Yeah, bigger boss, I may go attempt to now, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, can you always ride down the place without knowing papers? You know, so them the thing they have to carry papers, you know. Yes, bigger boss. See my father, so me deal with it now. Alright, sir. Think he might get to today.
Later, baby. Boy, Gracie, I can't make you take me from drink, Rumble. Ah, boy. Later, Gracie.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Pull over here, sir. Pull over here, sir.
I pedal in, officer.
Me tell you if you pull over here, sir, and you reach up here, sir. What you do? Give me papers them for your bike.
No papers for your bike.
What you mean no papers for your bike?
Bicycle I mean.
What you mean bicycle? I not say a bike this is the pan, sir. Come on for your bicycle, man, and park here, sir.
Yeah, you say? Bicycle and a bike this a boss. I don't need no papers.
But you have engine panny. You don't know say for you convert it to that. You don't know say a bike.
Officer pedal, me there pedal.
Give me papers them, sir. Just give me papers them.
Officer pedal, me there pedal in.
Pedal way. Boss man, just give me papers them. Because you know so we always watch you. At daytime when you come through and a rev through, you think we always watch you. I take this fire right now, you know, if you can't present the papers them, you know. Because it's a bike this year, right? This is not a bicycle, you know.
Bossy. But sure now say when me a ride forward a while ago. I pedal, you see me a pedal. You hear something still in them. I not gonna say nothing.
You hear the engine, I mean you rev it.
Yeah, me
but
not
so you see me now, you start to pedal it.
Yeah, but me not gonna say nothing, but me did just me a pedal it. You understand me I say? Me in a rev nothing.
Alright, here we step away from the bike. Step away from the bike. Because you always drunk, you know. So here we go on now. I carry go carry in, you know. Because I soup call me, you know.
I mean so me always drunk, officer.
But you can't drunk on a ride bike, you will cause accident.
So you better you drunk more than I kill people and mess up
so
the
yeah,
past.
So watch out.
You better you drunk more than
you have to do a birthday, you know. Come blow in this. Come know you're under your rum, you know. You always drunk, we always watch you.
So I'm T tester, right tester, I'm T tester.
Me not carry that with me now, but you have to just do this.
I like them and something, you know, brother.
You can't do something for yourself?
You can do a small favor, yes, a small thing.
How far you can swim in the sea?
No, we not do them things, you know, boss. Because we're not swimmers, you know.
Come, go through, because we will carry down this.
Man.
Boy, the one that can't go down, you know. You know, smell like thing come. If this good down, they lock you up, you know. If you lock you up, you know.
Little bit of rum, this boss.
Why? What you say you can't do for yourself? Let me see the best for you, I can help you out. Because I carry down right now, you know. I soon tell myself to brutalize, you know. Because anyhow, me did carry down the one day. I lock you, get locked up. Make sure you're not small, you pull up.
Alright, no worries, sir, officer.
You carry down the one, yeah, and tell them say you never drunk today.
Yes, boss.
So I get to you now.
Yeah, man, respect, man. That's all.
I take if you take away, because every day you ride past junk, you know, and I make penalize a little whole piece of bike, you know. I should I take away from you, you know.
I told man.
But if you show you do good,
yeah.
so me I go, you know, yes.
All of we are brother, you know, man. Remember say we are all of we are black people, you know.
Yeah, man, give me money, give me think you talk too much.
Alright, boss.
Next time you have to go do better.
Yeah, man, you see.
Hurry up and go through.
Alright, my boss.
Go me change my mind. Hurry up and
alright, my boss. Pick up yourself, you know.
Go through, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, soap. Wait, so one madman up on the pizza. The lady they always have a problem for the people them pizza. Alright, soap. Me I'll deal with you now, soap. Boy, you know, say no manners.
Sorry, man.
Give me a talk to bigger boss and you start. Hey, carry back your bike, come here, sir.
Sorry, my boss, man. Every day on the text set for a man. Poor officer! Jesus and peace.
Damn boy won't stop drinking, a man. Look how he fly past the place, man.
Dope, you could have gone tap me a while ago.
Tap one man, you eat it, man. I tell us if you love it, you drinking alone, you know, no fear thing in my youth. Look, from time you need to reach a work, my youth, how you there, man?
Dope. Let me tell you something, man. You see me? Me always early for my work. So if me late this morning, I must something dopey.
You know, go and tell you.
Yeah, tell me about rum. Look on them, eh?
Go and tell
now
you.
you think them, eh?
Oi, I found yesterday you left them there, so you don't come point no fingers for me, you know. You left them there, so you see that. That's why I tell you, if you left the rum alone, you know. You see it though. You come and suck my point finger. You ever catch me a drink it?
Alright, dope, you win, man. But you're so walk, so you wanna, which one more dangerous?
You can ever compare to my smoking.
No, you smoke, me drink. Which one more dangerous?
My smoking can affect my life. What about your drink?
Dope, let me tell you something. Me used to study like some medical thing in a school, you know. Yes, when you drink, what it does is like any little germs down in you, you clear out it. So it's when you smoke, you smoke the first stain in a one now and go to sit near lung cancer. Tell me now, drinking ever gives people lung cancer?
Well, me nah go say me.
And I rum man never you know. Boy, yeah. No old age kill them.
No.
Dope it up, tell lie, man.
No, me not tell no lie. When me and you up a brown dog 9 night, what you hear say happen to him? The drink and drunk and go right half over a bush over, so you never remember.
But that a right off. That a like when I get out of control and crash. I mean say like rum no kill nobody, give them no complication and then something there, brother.
We mean rum no kill the man was blind.
Yes, but the man run off a road and broke his neck.
Then if he never did drink, or him get blind.
No, there's some unfortunate situation. You have to take your time, brother. It's like how me now. You see them a youth how them ride bike and a sub-bike ride. Them a ride bike like say them a mad simadi.
And that you tell yourself. And that you really tell yourself.
And look here, them make you rum and ride the bike.
Oi, last week.
You can't make your rum control a dopey. Like how you make your smoking control you.
Me no dey my work. Which one I will late? Which one I will late? And me or are you late?
I officer then tap me I want officer.
See a man there complain to me last week about you and your drinking. And him tell me if you talk to you, big man. Come now, man. Bread man, we can't do this and every day I see him thing. Every day I see him thing. Imagine. But buy one helmet. And me tell you if you wear a helmet. You come here so without the helmet, don't you?
Yeah, you good.
And the helmet they right there, so don't it?
Brother, I could start sir. Because right now you talk about this one how you do.
Yes. Remember saying Honda done start out from last week and gone, you know. So man they call you.
You call me, man.
So now I try to show you, man, so can we just get it?
You get what I want to do?
No, you know.
Hush, baby, hush. Hush, man.
Boy, I tell you, say, boy, Dopey.
Yeah.
Up at one party there when we go last night, boy.
Yeah.
The party terribly, boy.
That you say?
Yeah. You see, you know want to come out of your bed to go party, you know.
If you go do what?
Eh?
If you go do what?
Alana, you have control for your life, you know. Eh?
Well, it better if me there in my yard.
My woman can't control my life, you know. Right now, down my yard right now. I'll be like me tell him.
Yeah. So me ask you a question now.
Eh?
When you tell all of them like this, him,
Eh?
and moms do find out one of them there. Remember, say me nah come part no fight for you, you know. Remember that, you know, me nah come part no fight. You can't say me there one, you know.
You're too fool, yeah, man.
Fool, you call it. And me ask you a question. Which one of our relationship last longer? How much years me and moms there yard for? Remember, say she knew, you know. Remember, say she knew. Him nah the round long, you know. Alright. Remember, say me talk to you.
I'm sorry, I say nothing to you, because you see, you know, I'm a house rat.
Man, I try to give you knowledge and you come and tell man fool in the shadow years, man. What kind of stylist, man? At that time, I don't talk to you more while about certain things, you know, man. You can't listen, you know. I better than now say, I don't need your room, that's why you don't want it.
No, I need no room, man.
Yeah, man, you know, go and hold it, man. Go and hold it, man. Just go and hold it.
No room, man.
Remember, you know, so the police then take you off your bike. Don't say me they want in.
Alright, sir.
Don't say me they want you.
You're with me. So, boy, Dopey.
So, yo.
No, don't do that. Don't do that, Dopey. Hold on. Let me say something to you, Dopey. Hold on. Dopey. It's my money buy that in a Dopey.
And?
He's a trade man, Dopey, I know that. So, listen.
And I'm your boss, don't?
So what we do? Don't drink me like, you know, you give me
And you're there
vibes.
for my work, don't it? And my work you're there for them. Don't?
Alright.
You can't afford for you to do but nothing again when you just do because of rum.
You're with my boss.
This man, nah, as a matter of fact, come take up something like you feel like me, no joking with that, you know. If me catch a drink again for the work, you know, don't come back, you know, you can't say me later.
Alright, you win.
Every day I same thing with this boy, man. Why this boy won't learn, man?
You win, boss.
Hush, baby. Hush. Hush, baby. Hush.
Oh, the woman, man. Bossy. I woman with the panty pan already, whole heap of panty pan already attack. Alright, me see her. Hello, miss, stand up. Hello. Come on, 5 people in property. Come on, 5 people in property. Move fast, man, move fast. Whole heap of complaint there get boy, man. Move fast. Mate, move fast, now. Go through, man. And I make one next time I get a next phone call, boy. Because you have little people in place. Lady, move now.
Alright, Mr. Officer. Me I go move. I feel your place.
Yes, bigger boss. You know, so really and truly, I have to get the mental people who can take off the lady off the road door. Yeah, boss, because she have pay a problem. But just take her off the plaza, boss, so we don't have to do it right. Alright. Come round with the car. Come on for your property. Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Boy, man, for the... Come on. Watch out. Come on from the TV, man.
Rampost.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
Listen, hey, you see wrestling now when I watch? That boy there, I look off it. The boy when name Chavanis Brown. I'll be here tonight.
Look what you do. See you put on the shirt wrong.
It's a baby, man. You know, say I have to ready me sometime. So.
You don't appreciate me, no?
No.
I'm here to take care of you.
You can't. That is like you're not telling me the right thing what you have to tell me. You know? You make me feel bad. I appreciate you.
And you not listen to me, I'm telling you to stop drinking.
Look here, drinking is not nothing. Like drinking is just a thing that give her like a vibe for work. Look how I take care of you. Look how your ear very nice. Come on, man. Look how your big flat.
See that y'all attack and me and smell the rum. I don't like that sitting there, man. I don't like it.
That run from last night one little something and I never told.
Anyway,
so you want to know, I go up on the road, you know, right? You want anything on the road?
Not really.
Alright, so later, yeah?
Alright, bills.
And cook the same thing like what you cooked last night.
Alright.
That was nice. Yeah?
Alright, Rampus.
I'm not drink nothing more, you know. I'm not drinking, you know. Because you don't like what I'm drinking, baby.
Make sure.
Later, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, back on the road again. Brand new day. Boss said I'm not for late, so. You know where I go anymore. How you deal with Brown Dan? Everything normal. I go up on the walk, my boy. Normal.
Push baby.
Go on, uncle. Come in on the walk, you know. Park you over here, sir. I know. Yeah. Come on, fight.
That I do, yes.
Yeah. Boss, where you dealing? How in there? Where you going with?
Good morning, sir, rum drinker. I see you come on your work early this morning.
Yeah, man, you're late, man.
Me late? You know, see me had me come out.
But you're late. You don't normally catch up as I do work for a morning.
I'm gonna worry yourself about that.
Yesterday now. Oh, Peter. So you say now, where's you going now? Dust.
I'm son off same way, man. You still have a few spots where I see like, you miss you sit there and me talk to your boy rum drinking. And it's like, I feel like a joke, man.
I see leg rum drinking. You know what to check my pocket. Yeah. You see no rum?
Smell it on your breath, though.
You see no rum?
Still smell it on your breath, sir.
You see no rum?
No matter what you want to try, show me still up on your breath. Anyway, watch out.
Work, man.
Yes, on the river face there.
No, because remember me tell you now. Come like a yard drinker, man. Remember me tell you, sir, round is something I deal with. And then today, you deal with round also.
Yeah, but...
See?
Alright, so, come on. Come on, let me show you something then, because you might feel like a joke. Why go on there, so?
This, sir?
Why go on there, so? Oh! And even worse, you know?
I miss me, sir.
Come on, man.
Come on,
man. What is? Why all of this are doing, sir? Swear me, I show you.
Actually, I chatting. I chatting with you about Ray and Arsata sitting about.
You see, you start first already. Let me tell you, you know. Tell us if you look young girl, you know.
Bossy.
No.
You should have found down a fat bar last night.
Man, me pass through, man, but...
Man, you bought it down there.
Me see her.
Oh.
Man, don't worry yourself, man. Me see her, man.
Yesterday, I tell you something. What you do? Kaya yard.
Exactly. Remember say, me live in a house with woman, you know. I don't know where you live in a house with, but I know woman that. You understand me? I try to show you.
Yeah, me I say. You see my brother and Jegzo. I really youth. See?
Wherever I chat a business I road.
Well, you and Jegzo link more while me get to understand, but I'm saying Jegzo is my brother more. You understand?
Tell yourself that.
Listen me. So, Jegzo say, me and you will forward up by the bar later. We're gonna have a drink. Jegzo is interested for the trade, so we can reason right there.
Me and them man they got school, and them man they never one day yet look on me and tell me say they want to laugh. Them man they used to laugh after me at school, you know. Who a laugh now?
Then I will laugh last boss.
Alright, and I try to show you.
So so watch out, you don't know what say in the next 2 months from now, me a bigger trade man than you right now.
You know go and tell yourself that, man.
Eh?
Go and tell yourself
you know,
that.
you see, me not, and like me is now worse, you know. We only learn for Billy Cone, you know. I honey. So me is like bees.
Yeah.
So yes, when me come here, so don't bother feel like someone now watch a keenly what you doing, you know.
Oh, you go watch me when you're under your influence.
No, you feel me under influence. Everything where the boss, we can't do that right now. All you sit in the machine where you use. You see all you sit in the machine where you use. The grey machine there, so. Me can't use that.
And watch out now. Before you reach this, my friend. Can't make the area still.
Them man.
Yeah, man, you feel what I try to show you?
That at least.
No, it can't be released because if a man come here today, remember we tell him man, one day what we supposed to start doing. Remember, say we tell him man, say one day what we are doing. But you go early yesterday, my youth, after me tell you.
Bossy, listen to me, man. We have to jaw to work more while to make money.
No, my youth, watch out, money man, you can't look on life, so. That's why you don't live long. You don't like things too fast. You understand me? Eat long, my youth.
Yeah. But bossy, what me I do? Watch out now. Just want to work on them thing. Look on this dirty sitting here. From 19 no longer than have it a boss.
So no, so you send a message, my youth.
Yeah, but you can't do it now 1 day, 2 days. Like you're Superman, you have to take on 4 weeks do it.
No, man,
boss. And then me I try to tell you something more, boss, but you don't listen, bossy.
So hold on, let me show you an experience. You understand what you try to say?
Yeah, more you understand me, I say me know you understand.
Alright.
Yeah.
But look on this side.
Bartender, line up top more for me there.
Okay, alright.
Ooh. Bartender, line up top more for me there, yeah?
Okay, alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
That concrete house look nice though. So me want you look for something for yourself, you know.
What?
So me want you look for something for yourself, man.
Concrete house can go party. What we go? See place how we say we go now.
Yeah, man.
See Jegzo there now. Jegzo, what you doing?
Nah, changing our life. Rum till the day you die, eh?
Jegzo there now, man.
Yeah, man.
You understand, bossy, look here. You're suing your power with me and Jegzo. Eh?
stop think about what you wanna own in life and all that something there.
Oh no, me don't own already, you know. Are you me I try talk to forget better for you, you know, my friend. But I say me don't have you already, you know, my friend.
I'm a big old house up there, so. Yeah, go like someone have a big old yeah! Jackson! Yo! See, General, man, this. Calm yourself, man. Hold on.
We know him.
So, we can't stop me.
No, man. You don't bring them this. They come here, sir. You can't spend your money.
But watch I know, you see between the two of them. Two messy things set right now. Man them, I think me have to go.
Yeah, move.
Watch I know. Don't come up so come look for me, you know, because I'm not at the garage tonight. See me a guy here to wife, you see me, you don't know the program setting. You know. So when I come and shop, don't come and shop, come and look for me. The yard me I come from, I understand me I try show.
Yeah.
So we can't go and do nothing we talk. See?
Boss.
Yes.
Like how you rolling?
Nah man, just
you see, I come have a drink with the boss and you move.
But remember, say for me, you think different too. We don't live the same way, my friend.
But me I say, boss, you not to me catch a good you move, boss.
But I try to show your business, you know, my friend. Come now, man. Understand now, man.
Go on, man.
Understand, man. I want ideas, them, you know.
Boss, your style, me, you know.
I know style, man. Just hold it,
right,
man.
Right, my face, I can buy something with
just hold it, man. Hold it, man. I know the style.
Say, that's not making money, so not drink nothing. You know, understand, you see ya? You see ya?
Time, my friend. Time.
Yeah, alright, man. Go on, bossy. Yo, I foolish fast me about working.
Man, cheap. No, you not paying no mind.
Watch him, man. Yo, brother, yo, so you say now? Listen, I can't drink. This is like a sitting here, so.
No. Yo.
Hi, pretty lady. I'm going to that Friday now. That's when I see me step in there. I'm gonna learn your manners. Here? My Billy is here, okay?
Learn what? Manners?
Yeah.
You know how much drink me buy you so you try to get a you want
to spend more than me, you say.
Where?
Feel like money, remember, you know. I trade work me do, you know.
You do trade work?
Auntie, line up a red starter for me, yeah? I start off a ball game there.
Red stripe,
I'm going to show you why man right after.
You red stripe here.
Come in, auntie. When I have a drink this now, I'm going to show you I'm dangerous.
Listen to me. Don't try to feel like you can test me now I'm drinking.
No worry yourself. Hey, remember now you bring me back my butt. I'm wickeder than you know in a jig.
Yeah man, you're wicked man.
Wickeder than you know in a.
Yeah, drink. Not top drink. Drink.
Boss it for me now.
Buy out the whole bar.
Boss it for me now. I say you're beautiful, my friend.
Thank you.
You're a new lady on the block?
Yeah, man.
For real, man. Say you never hear about me.
The first year, so I never hear about you.
Take anything on now.
I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready with it.
You're not ready yet? You me answer, right? Because you don't know who you are dealing with, you know. You know me? Eh? You know me? That's for you. Alone. I remember me not start drinking yet. You hear?
Alright, thanks.
You know who you are dealing with?
No, I don't know you.
You so know who you're dealing with.
I hear.
So, Jexo. You don't know what I say? Hear me, boss. After I tell him, man, say, come, I could drink down here, so I have a drink.
You stingy.
So, me I say, woman can never tell me, say no. Say you know the man, you're the man going to school. Woman can never tell me that. And you tell me, say you want to trade it down my place. And you make me go down there and tell the man, say, you want to trade it down there.
Me come say me know him. I'm a classmate. How the problem?
You know, say every top drink come
from his life.
From his life, yes, but you can't manage it.
Oh, me?
You know, say I sleep there, I say I sleep, man.
So
you me say, yo. So you say, we are go up a place, come on, wait. A two brand new go up there, brother.
Talk to me.
A two brand new go up there. So what you say? Cause me have money, you know. If you don't have no money, me have money, you know. We can go up there, come, you know. After we go up there, we chill out, we can come back down and say, come drink something. You understand what I say?
Go.
Boy, you know something up this place so the girl shine. Shine!
Yeah, talking.
Yo! You say better? Me say.
Refill it up.
Yeah man, me am. Browning, line up something for my friend now.
What?
One
special.
One special, yeah man. Yeah man.
White rum with boom.
White rum.
With boom.
With boom in it.
Don't dead it. Make sure you're alive the rum.
Boom done.
Me don't know who me now.
Okay, right. Hey, boom done in there, can't do it. Man must have union jugs on, you know. So me I say now. You don't know up at the club there, right? Me, I got ensure say you lock one and me lock one.
You have money?
Some money there, so better, you know, say boss pay me. You don't say boss pay me.
And you can't rum if you can't drink at the place?
No, me have rum from when. But you know, me now go disrespect a lady place and come here come drink rum when me get out there to buy. Me I come here so come purchase more.
Drink
at a cost of my pocket.
drink, no top drink.
Oh, dear man.
No top drink.
Check so. How we run the town, you know. Rum is life.
And without rum, there's no woman.
No woman at all. Without rum, you can't find not one single woman out there.
Can you see all that big fat one there?
No, don't call her fat, brother. You feel decide so.
No, me like them so fluffy then.
Fluffy.
You see that fluffy there in there? You see later when this bar lock up, me I give her 2 in the GN there. Me not go no further than the GN. Yeah. Right, fluffy?
Don't follow me now, don't come on, man.
No.
Hey, my friend, I saw we run joke and just have a look at drink, have a look at vibes, you know?
How we gotta tell fluffy?
You can't get that. You know, so you're ugly. You can't.
No, watch your face.
You can't get that.
What in the pants no ugly do? No watch your face. When she see it, she a go like it.
Yo, what me I do?
She a go like it.
Yo, what me I do?
Right, Fluffy?
What I talk about?
You know me I talk about, man. Just say knocky.
Browning, let me clear off a bit. Let me clear off a bill and come back.
You get it?
How much I say more you know, my friend?
Alright, 350 and 250.
Yeah.
That's 600.
600. Come on.
You said if you take something instead,
Yeah.
we already get still.
So take anything, no man.
Take a backlash rum there, Fluffy. A backlash rum.
900.
Yeah.
900.
A backlash rum, you idiot.
Alright, hold on this side.
Alright.
Oh, you're full, sir. Eh? What kind of bartender you be?
So later, yeah?
Alright.
When man come back and tell us to take anything you want to take up.
Hey, how my beer there?
See? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to spirit.
So later, yeah, my friend?
Alright.
Yeah. Hey, so me I go up, go ready. We go up so they come over. Make sure say you did that. Sharp, you know.
Yeah, man, you see me. Fluffy. You know, you're damn idiot. We can take a backlash rum or a flask. Let me get some out of it. You want to say?
I go pass through.
Oh, you there?
You buy her something already. So,
you there? I think you're gone.
Listen, me now. Yo, make sure say you early for up at the club to come over we are going.
Anyway, rum there, me dead.
Alright. I remember me have money, you know. Money can't done.
Right.
Promise?
Life. When you get paid, you drink it out.
Drink it out.
Don't bring one none.
None. Rum is ladies. Rum is life. Rum is everything.
Right. Make sure you drink it out.
Look come on, yes sir.
Yeah. Fluffy, back to you. Let me change. Remember it. Back to you again.
Yo, nobody late, you know, sir. Please look come on, you know.
Me good, man. Don't worry about that. The good.
Cause my girl, them pretty and nice up at the club there.
Anyway, rum and woman there.
We dead there.
There.
One Jackson, you know.
Right, no patience.
Oh, Rampus, now what's my name? Rampus.
Rampus, yeah.
Don't play with me now.
We no care what we want to pay, we left it at the bar.
Look, come on.
Yeah, and the club. I'll check you later. Get on the church.
Yes, sir. Wanna know me? Wanna know me, boy? Wanna know me, boy? Yes, sir. Yes, baby.
I would have Rampus.
Then I could have ram dog. I could never ram dog.
What?
Cause any dog me catch ya, mince up.
Rampus. How much time me I talk to you? You come in with beer bottle again. You can't cut out. You can't drink water.
Baby. So you mean to say I and I work so hard that I can't have a one digga beer? Me not even drink no rum. Me not even drink no rum.
Rampus, today is Friday. But where money there? Give me money.
The money?
Yeah, come in when you drink out the whole of money. No food, right now food in the house done.
Remember, so me and Jigsaw go up on the road like a morning.
That's why you have to give me money. Yeah man, give me all that money man.
Them not go give you babes. But remember, you know, me and Jigsaw go up so go have a little one more drink, little more. One digga more drink, right? Me I'll give you money, you know. But me not go give you everything, right?
Rambos, you know see a fool you take me for the one? See you prefer your friend over me and you, like you prefer me and you if you get up every day a cuss but you drinking?
Baby, me no love money, no. That me I tell you, no. But you have to know me love you, no. But you have to know, say sometimes you have to enjoy yourself because all right no play me Jack or Doll, what? Eh? You saw Jack Doll? Me no want Doll because when me Doll I want to see one say me Doll. You understand? Me want to swing like a catapult.
Give me money.
You understand? And I slide through like a boat hull.
What is?
Eh? Oh, you know say if that's what I tell you, I learn the trade now. I go left hand boy the foot, you know. And start the trade work myself now. I them a little bit of money boy I give me.
You good love rum bill out there, make you give me this.
No, I'm not
what is?
I'm not rum bill out there. I them a little bit of money there boy I give me soon left hand the foot come, baby, me catch you all I trade. So you see right now, millions me I go make, you know. Just when I start the trade work myself, I can tell them boy that goodbye. So you say you, anything you want, car, house, I mean like wall house, because we are going to sell this. If you need Bimmer, Benz, change the hairstyle every week, change the nails every week, remember you know, man, a car with Duke, a car with spray. See? I'm going to catch a trade baby. So don't hold yourself. Okay? Why you going so aggressive, man?
Hey, you see me never believe in you.
Sure.
And see little potential in you. Me gone left you, you know.
I told you, man.
Me gone left you because right now me not even believe you, sir.
That the boy give me, man. But me now want him because you want him eye. You look at him, you have all one sitting up there, one shine sitting. When you use a spray car, like after I put on the first sport pan, one shine sitting when you go to I go like you know want to teach me how to use it, but this one I use it. I pray him say no, see me? And I pray me now. So I learn it. I am not know so I learn it. You see me I say? Know yourself man. You know. You want to wash up because I go back on the road now. Jigs are wait for me on the road, yeah?
Every time you call your friend name, me come like he does get me spirit.
Alright, I never say Jigs though. I see who come now, man. I wash up. Line up, hot up the food for me.
Let me tell you, check so.
Baby, later, yeah?
Alright.
Have everything.
Woo! You not left for Rummy?
I just a little tip, man. Remember, you know, I just had one drink, degga drink, me tell you, right? So, later, yeah? How me look?
Alright, you look good, man. You look good.
Alright, later.
Alright. Mwah.
Touch the road. Later, my baby. Fresh out and nice. Sure. Yo. Jagza. I'll text along friends iPhone out. Yeah. So we are forward now. Up at the club, right? The girl them come already? The pretty one them? Alright. No, you not gonna get the pretty one, you know. Well on, I can't talk too loud, you know. My mom's over here. And me I get the pretty one, you know, brother. Just watch and see Jagza boy. Alright, me a forward now. See? Yeah. Yeah. Up in on the club. Me a go now.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
Boy.
Yes, this is one. You know, I'll come on with me.
Right now, baby.
Sure.
A beautiful, you know.
You ready?
What do you mean if I'm ready? Could I not ready? I'm a drink Magnum, I'm a drink Jerry and Nephew.
Are you ready?
Eh?
Ready.
What do you mean if I'm ready more than ready?
So come now.
Ready? Yeah, for
Your vehicle.
see my skate right here, baby. Ready?
Alright, I'm ready.
Yo, Jagza.
Tell me about at the salon here?
Look come on here, you lose out and race, you know. Come out as a baby. Look come on. That boy with the browning, you know. Say it browning. You lose, boy.
What me I tell you what, boy?
Maybe tell you lose. Come on, bro. Come on, put the browning.
Which one me I go back here, sir?
No, me I go put it right there, sir.
Well, I quit your one. And I quit me, I go?
Come on, my baby.
Yeah, come.
Look come on, Jagza. Here we go now. You see us a gas tank? Mm-hmm. You know, you can't hold on here.
So we are push it.
No, left and right, that's on them. No go down in your yard.
I will push it.
Go on. No, you go on in front of me now.
Oh, so lead
Go on,
now.
so me I go.
Alright, come.
See?
You say your pockets?
Huh?
Yes, sir? Right.
Up there, sir.
Jeez.
Okay.
Woo. Oh my gosh. Baby.
Oh, that's so you stop
Yeah,
fast,
yeah.
man.
So where you say I live up there, sir?
Yeah, with what I've done today. Come with my hand. Yes, my love, we're not hiding anything.
Oh gosh, baby.
spin to you.
Beautifully, man.
Yeah.
Woo. So what's
Come
the
make you
name?
walk the way, you're Venetia.
Venetia.
Yeah.
Jags, look, come on. Jesus. God is good, you know, man.
All the time.
How this I call my phone now, man? That you I call me for dog. Let's see what I go on. Yo, my G.
What go on, mechanic? Why, I want to get a joke. You don't know who your boy just gone with.
That's who? But bro, you can't do that. You can't call my phone checks and you not tell me who my you. Them something they not add up.
No worry head, man. Soon, you soon know, you soon find out. I can't tell you now. Bye-bye, I don't love mix up. You love too much mix up. Go enjoy yourself. Hey. Bye. Woo. Oh, then we can go. You come and boast for me, go on. Go on home, you so where I go get.
Here. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is. Hold on there.
Where I go? 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 It is nice.
I wish you want to go.
It's nice, you know. I want more, more. Around 4, I want to go this time. That 3 round you give me is a wicked man. He's a wicked man. I want round 4. No, give me round 3.
Yeah, man. We're up on the front line, man. You see up on the road when you pass, man.
Round 4, round 4, round 4.
Yeah, man, yeah. Yo. Some strange things are going on in the yard here, you know. No one break just up on the road, I ride with jazz in my back pocket, man. Stop here, come from the church. I'm not going to real place, you know. Oh, there's something going on. Yeah, man, yeah, me up on the road, man. Me up on the road, you may wait for man. Ah. Rod. Jesus. It's what dirty rum can do. Yo, I don't want no more here for drink. Dirty rum.
Roman on no life. Baby. Gracie.
What happened?
Yeah, look for Rampus. You know Rampus?
Yeah, me know Rampus. We are look for Rampus for.
I'm a man. I'm a man in a real life.
The man. So Rampus is really mad for them with one mad man.
Your mama.
Mary, go on. You don't smell good at all. Go on.
Are you mad?
Go on. Go on no. You don't smell good. Lord God. Jesus Christ.
What another fear, yeah.
This woman is fronzy bad. Jesus.
Happy night.
Yeah, girl. I stand up on my gate and wait for the ice cream truck for pass. Come in the house and hear. You know, look nice what they always make, but I don't know no pass yet. Hey. There, girl, I go and take a rough life easy, you know? No, so I don't know when I come in the town yet. Me make you know still, me call you and something. Yeah? Hey, alright. It's an ice cream truck at the moment. I don't want that.
You know Rampus?
Yeah, I'm a man now.
Rampus, thief me draws. Rampus is my man. Huh?
Rampus is my man. What do you mean by Rampus is your man?
Rampus and my man. Rampus thief me draws. And me draws me I look for and me I look for Rampus. So once me find Rampus, me will find me draws. So if you know Rampus, tell me and stop trick me. Say Rampus are your man. Rampus can't have two women. Rampus have one woman. And that is me. Me. Rampus is for me man. And if a trick you or trick me, say Rampus are your man. Give me back my draws. That means Rampus thief me draws and come give you.
Mary, remember say, you know, so my Rampus could do so mad if you lie down with something. Oh! Mary, go on back where you come from because me don't know where you come from. I can't talk about my Rampus. Lie down with you, somebody like you. And me like idiot turn up yourself argue with your mad. Then me not mad too.
Are your mom mad? You mad? Not me.
Mary, excuse me gate.
I say you live.
Over there so me live,
So I saw Rampus there.
Rampus not there right now.
Let me see drawers where you have on because me want me drawers. Rampus thief me drawers. Me and Rampus sleep. And Rampus thief me drawers. Me miss me drawers. Me they look for from morning. Me want it.
Mary, stop work and spread propaganda upon Rampus. What? I'm a reputation you want mash up? Rampus not sleep with you. Stop it. You the low. A man you want some, Mary?
Why you thief me, man? Why you thief me, man?
Alright.
Mary, what you want money? A money you want?
No. Me want me man and me drawers.
Me man not have your jaws, Mary.
So you are say is up.
Rampus!
Me know the sound of that bike and that bike is my man one.
Morning. I'll tell you now. Alright. Oversleep, man, oversleep.
Oi, stand up like a man. Stand up like a man. Oi, you see, if you ever drop on me today, I give you some lip, make a sober here.
Turn up, man, turn up, sit them, turn up.
Where you come from?
Huh?
Where you they come from? I be asleep, you sleep out for me. And you get paid yesterday, I know say money done right now. How what this have? Give me. Give me. Might take you on.
Nephew.
You know no sense, running nephew. You so know what real nephew. Where you come from?
Oh. Me virgin. Rampus. Sit down, me have to tell you this. You can't tell her and tell her right now. Me will drop and knock out and remember again.
What the Rampus?
You know Mary?
Yeah, everybody know Mad Mary.
You know say me no go around and cap people business, right? You don't know what I say. A Rampus with Mary.
What?
Yes.
I lie to tell.
Give me more, let me tell you more.
I lie to tell.
Yeah man, let me tell you more.
Wait there.
Let me drink more. No. You know what they pay for this? Yes man, you know for trouble, this a bad boy, no water, no the funny. Hear me I say now. Gracie, are your friend, but do not tell him.
I me just hear so no Gracie and Rampus there. So how come Rampus can lay down with Mad Mary, stinking Mary? Eh?
Maybe Gracie now grace up, but hear me I say no. And that's why you know see me coming in some of the night. Because me feel help my virgin. You understand? So when you see me coming in and I stagger, I because me out there, me feel a drink, you know, me can't left this.
So you're helping me while you drink the Ray and Neville?
Yeah, because Ray and
so you can't help him without drinking the Ray and Neville?
If I don't got the spirit, I don't got the mind. You understand?
Listen to me. Me sick and tired there now, you know. You can't sleep out for me. Where money there? You
He done. We don't have money.
see it? You see it? Careless lifestyle, yani.
On that, you see when we take the first drink, it's sweet, me. I mean, just take a second one. And
Go on date for me that if you do.
enough of that. Right now, I'm hungry. We're going fast on there.
Yeah, me cook. Your food cook up in there. Go on, in a microwave. Go on. Mr. Fish, stand up like a man.
Stand up like a man. Stand up.
Watch out. You know what kind of something this me take up in my life, Father God. Watch out. What?
No, me see, man. Me see, him good. Me see. Me see, man.
Chip. Sir. Pick up. Gracie! Girl, me have to go come check her right now. Jegs just tell me something, girl, and me can't believe. This is serious. Me have to call link you. Girl, I could have asked that. Right now, me a come. Jegs!
Oi,
May I go up on the road and come back here?
mark me word. Tom junk, but checks are no fool. Don't go up on the road. Go only by your mouth when
No,
it just
no.
say over the slope.
Mm-mm.
Make sure you zip it.
Nah, say no.
I'm in a run joke with my friend. It's like I'm keep this close. Or something keep my friend close. Go on.
Alright, baby, hold up my time. So, come here.
You're sexy, though.
Thanks.
And they never fool me, you know.
Gracie! No, sir. Gracie, how are you there?
Me dey run around post workplace or so. No, me no see you, man. Just hurry up and come. If you come, you come.
Oh, run the road. Alright, now call link you. Girl, stop and play with me. Alright.
Mary? Hey. Hi, Mary.
Nurse Brown,
Hi, Mary.
you care something for me?
Yes, I bring something for you, Mary.
Me hungry, you know, me no eat for morning.
And how are you today, Miss Mary?
The baby I move from over here so and he go up in here so.
The baby go up there, so?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
And the baby starts up breast already, you know?
No, Mary, the baby don't start suck breast as yet, Mary.
Happy milk they come out in my mouth. And he craving. You're gonna be in godmother. I me do ultrasound last night after
No,
3.
you don't do ultrasound as it. So, Mary, you know, let me bring you to the hospital with me.
Hospital?
You will get better treatment there.
Me can't come now.
Remember, listen, remember you're 5 months pregnant. You cannot be on the street with that. No, you have to be in the hospital so we can take care of you.
5 months pregnant?
Yes.
Yeah. So me baby father, me want to know say he catch a 5 months. He need to know say me pregnant for him and me can't go in the hospital go stay because my baby father have to go come with me.
Alright, so tell me who is your baby father so I can help you to find it.
You see you Nurse Brown.
What?
You want to take away my man.
No, I will never do a thing like that. You can trust me, you know?
Trust you?
Yes.
Trust you with my man?
No.
Rampus? Eh? Rampus and my baby father.
Alright.
And if you go carry me go in the hospital, if you go stay in there, me have to see Rampus first because he need to know when me there and he have me drawers.
He have your what?
He have me drawers, me panty. He have me panty, he take me panty and gone and one next woman yard with you and me want it. And me can't left until me see me baby father.
Alright, I want you to calm down because I'm gonna give you your injection now, right?
You go give me one next one again?
Yes.
Remember say last week you did give me already.
I know, but this week I have to get another one.
And you know, so when you did give me last week, you go in on my nose well?
No, I'm sorry about that. This week I'm not gonna let that happen, okay? You trust me? Alright, so.
Me go trust if you give me the injection.
But you don't trust me around your man?
No, Rampus have me alone.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you to lean forward so I can get your hand to.
You have warrant to search me, to put me warrant to give me injection.
I'm not going to do this with you today, Mary.
But you want warrant to give me injection every time you see me you give me injection.
Give you the injection, Mary, okay? So, come on.
How much injection you plan to give me today?
One. You're gonna get one today, right?
Wait, let me turn on my high because every time you put one big old jackass needle in my hand and when me go look for Rampus, the whole of my hand pain up so me can't get to take the hand there and hug him up.
Alright.
And he ask me what do me and they tell me say me have next man. Rampus I feel me man you know nurse. Nurse Brown, if you see how me man cute, I feel me man and one girl did want fight me for me man.
If you continue to talk, the injection will be.
Alright, let me turn around and you go. But take time push in there.
Alright, there you go, good girl. It's finished.
Yeah man, me hear about him man. For a long time me not see him. Long time, never bicycle me not hear from where they upon the lane. Yeah man, me hear about it. You pick me off him mad to man. You come to my youth. No man. Me here still, me here. No, me not see. Me must see a hide man. The money I do the same thing. Jaja. In real life. Yeah. You see I'm run for television.
Yo, wait, where are they putting?
I pray.
Yeah, man.
I live long, you know. Yeah, man just run for a while.
Oh, yeah, so man.
I live long, man. Really, you know? You can't see you far away there, man.
Boy, you say you can't see me far away there?
You can't see you far away there. You look around, sir.
Eh? No, man, that's how we look, man. So, you know, so me move already, man. So, you know, so me move already, for you. You go like say, you know, so me move.
No, man.
Eh?
So, what go on?
Well, I know, say me there. I want to go in for the work, but the work, what me do from over there, I catch a trade, you know. So I don't need to go back in there, so. So right now, I just ride up and down and see if I can look on car for Duke, you see it?
Yeah.
So you mind the soon for me, sir?
Come and see you. I can't hide out, man.
No, man, I hide, man. Just, you know,
Yeah.
I own the place and I don't know I go and do my things same way, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, oh, Mama be good.
Yeah, man, everybody good, man.
Real, man.
But
there, man.
Good, man.
But no, I'm there in that place every day. Yeah, man, but...
I did ask your woman for you, I must say, never see you.
You know, man.
Oh, how you and him live and you don't see you, I don't know. I say, me can't ask she that, so,
No, man, probably she start drink rum, you know. Because me not drink rum again, you know.
Yeah.
Look for me now, brother.
True.
Me not drink rum again, man. So probably I see take up a rum thing.
Look, so you put it on and she take up it.
And she take up it, because I go to my yard, you know. But Uncle Cho said the last time I go to my yard, she never did it, because she gonna work early.
Oh.
And I have one car for the Duke and I take it night and Duke it. You understand? So I go in the morning, I don't see her, I just normal same way.
Fresh up and
touch back the road again. You understand what I suppose? But yo, long time I say no youth. So there, man. So no, but I say, you know.
Yeah.
Just you know, so some move already, man. Real.
Everybody good, man, in a real life. I brush me, say me I go brush the yard and something, but you son up, me chill out, you know.
Oh.
That boss.
Hey! Rampus wagwan.
Eh?
What happened?
I'm there, man.
Wow, you're not easy, you know.
Why am I say that now?
No, yourself, man. You know, say I don't
know. Worry myself. Why am I say that? Because Master.
No, good man or nothing.
Master, I know you.
I mean, I put me jazz for my head, you know. Because I don't want Rampus teeth and go give girl again. I mean, did have something to tell Nurse Brown or no? My phone there, where my phone? My phone, I go call Miss Nurse Brown. 005 10 21. Hello? Nurse Brown, me have one song to sing for Rampus when he come, because we are going to get married. He give me one ring for my finger, you know?
Alright, go on the road, Master.
I don't agree with me, I go.
Gracie, where Gracie there?
Me I go check her.
Which part she there?
No, right down there, so.
Down there, so? Down there, so Gracie there?
Down there, so Gracie there.
Oh, yeah, man. I saw you pass through down there, man.
Yeah, I go check my long time friend.
Alright, I saw you pass. Yeah.
Can't make them know your business in a post. Can't make them girl know your business in a post.
Which business is that?
Overall, casually. A scheme liar, you know? Yeah, man. Carry go bring come. Yeah, for you, man. Just not make them know nothing about you. And she know it. Splash out on the ground, everybody see it. In a real life, man.
Yo, you know
mix up.
You know say me I go back up the way there.
So I say you go?
No, man. I told me say something, just go and check it. You see it?
Oh.
Yeah, go back up, so because I have one car for Duke up the side there. You understand? So, yo, watch out, man. Respect our manners, you know.
Alright, post, not say nothing.
Yeah, man. And go up, so, yeah?
Aye.
Yeah, brother.
Giant chick, man. Body know it. Turn back.
Gracie! Gracie! What is that? Gracie, not tell me say I me a drink. I me a drink.
And alone can easily pain on me and go through.
Give me liquor, cause when me come with, me can't believe.
No, don't. You see all that waste.
Knock me back. So Gracie. Gracie.
Yes,
how much time me call her name? How much time I call your name?
Not even account, you know.
You could tell me, say, Rampus breed Mad Mary. And my man tell me, Jegzo.
Marcia, all of me I try to forget about it. People still they come to me with the same thing over and over. See they around me have to turn to. To take up my pain and my sorrow. 5 months now, you know.
Oh,
5 months now, you know. Rampus do this to me, you know.
Oh my. I feel a pain. Oh God. Right now, I don't want nobody come past and see me as a turn up in the car. If you so shame, me was a shame.
Right now, Marcia, me shame. When me say no shame no left in me, right now the only thing left for me do is move out of the community. And only thing left for me do. Because imagine, me and this man live together. All long, when me say me love him till me fool, I love him to the ground when he walk on. Eh?
But Gracie, you look like say palm tree in your face, you know. Cause who give Rampus the privilege to go down with a mad man stinking near it. He ain't touch her. He ain't touch her. Well, my friend.
Then not even working, you know, coming on. The man neglecting work, you know, girl. Me come here so much time, see over there so the man live. The man when work with.
Stick up in, me just see Rampus. Right up there so.
You see Rampus where?
Right up there so. And me stop team and me and him at talk. Ask me if he good and thing. And he say this away ma come. So how we no pass?
No, me turn up here so good while now.
Oh. I check me. Alright, here we go on. Now go down a yard and see if we can get some more information from Jigsaw. We can just buy him one flask of Ray Never right now and he just chat out everything, spit out everything. You know what? Me not get him no flask. I'll get him at the tall back of them for 3,500 because this is nothing to him. Later, yeah?
Alright, thanks, Marcia.
Yeah.
Nobody spread it too much and almost everybody here. Do me, I beg you.
Sorry you take me for? You take me walk and spread people business? Let me tell you something, Gracie. You see me and me not see you. Just keep that in your head.
Alright, Marcia, thanks.
Later.
My battery are dead. And I can't find my charger later, man. Yes. I use the money where you give me. $1,000 you give me, you know, enough money that you know, don't see now till next year. Alright, Nurse Brown. Ting. I mean, I want, you know, say Rampus with thief my phone. An iPhone this me have, you know. I mean, I give Rampus into thief. I go out on the road right now, you know, because I don't want Rampus come take away my phone from me.
Hello? What got Rampus? Sarah? Alive? Really?
No, man. Listen me. From that go on, me not tell nobody. It's just me and my Ray and nephew did know. Believe me, man. Believe in me, man. You know, me not walk on so, you know. Alright. Yeah, man. Listen me. We can't bother long talking over the phone. Check me. Yeah, me there right at bed not lane. Right I shop. You know I shop. I only shop, yeah. Alright. I never me tell you if you do it.
Where you going, man?
Like your bike sound, man.
Yeah, man, how you say, man? Yo, enough girl, this is why you can make me get in a youth.
I see it, I like this sound, like, you know,
brother, you see your sound alone, make them shiver.
So much girl get gone so far again.
Brother, I can't even check him out a girl and get off of this.
I believe you,
I think the police, boy there, not up take set for me. Eh?
And not only that, they believe you, no, cause.
Eh? Cause guess what, go on? One time, me a pass him and the woman on the road. And the woman see the bike and say, sir, oh my God, look there.
No, the woman call up.
The woman say, sir, woman just come hug me up same time like that.
She fool.
Oh,
bicycle?
Hey, Mr. Youth, every time the police youth to me, I can't tell me say more ticket me for bike. And the same time I see him, we just start pedal. And that I chicken now. And time I see him just. So yeah,
you know, sir. I go me there, go my while and you tap me.
Yeah, so what me I say now? You didn't tell nobody what going on.
No, as I say, you know, me not tell nobody. Me not tell a soul, you know. But for me, woman, the question, but me not answer. We never answer. I never say a word to her. You understand? So anybody would have tell him you give it yourself.
No, man, I'm not telling nobody, you know. But to looking at the street like people, I see me and I question me and like, you know when they're on a brain, like I know something.
Alright.
Brother, I say, hey, brother, I can't sleep, brother. I have to hide from the woman, from the mother man, brother. Yo, look here. You can't manage your more than me. I blame you, you know. I you, man, I blame the mother man, you know.
I?
Yeah, because other night, couple of months ago when I had that party. Remember you tell me say you can't manage your rum more than me. See? And you, I one of them make me start drink rum, you know. So watch out now. You must see say, me under my rum, you know. And you must see say one mother man, you man look pretty to me. I say, brother, you man look sweet like a sugar to me.
That's all rum make you see things.
But me I say you couldn't see what I go on for me.
The rum make me see her prettier. Because me is stronger. But me I try to show you.
That's good.
If you
rum one enemy in a youth.
I'm glad you know when you drink rum and you over drink it. That's why I say Ray and nephew overprove.
Sister. Yes. And the two of them go in a prom. Rampus thief, your father thief though. Your stepfather thief and him father criminal. Yeah. And your sister said if you tell her, say.
So hold on, what is a Ray and nephew?
And then them put the overprove.
What that mean?
When they overprove, it means you see anything pretty. They could have ugly like a buck. You see them pretty. You could have a dirty shoes, they look clean.
Okay.
And when they go home, you could have see one car come and 10 come. That's how it be. The rum give you a rush.
You know, say, from when me not drink no more.
No, man.
People tell me on the road, say, you know, say, I love how you look. I don't smell the rum for your breath. So I come and smell the rum for your breath, for yes, sir. Nobody, they not tell me that again, brother.
The rum give me a good rush. When me jump in, I still find me yard. Eh? Or when I'm under me aisle, me still find me yard. Because the rum,
Jegzo, just promise me say you're not tell nobody. Do.
me promise you.
Because you wanna, you me do. Now I make 2 phone calls. See if me can get the mother man off the street. I make them. Brother right now, boy, we can't believe.
So, you never smell her under the rum when you try the pan the pan.
No, me say she smell sweet, brother. Come like it.
The aisle, yeah.
You know, just explain to me what overproof means, sir.
Yeah, the aisle, you should know. You try to don't more than me, that's why.
Pretty and nice and sexy and sweet, brother.
So she not pretty now?
Browning.
So she not browning now?
Eh?
She not sweet now?
Brother, I say when I wake up, all one big chap see in one face.
So she not pretty?
I say, watch her.
You better continue.
I'm here with this.
Continue there with that.
No. You know, say that rape me out.
No. Listen now, Rampus. If you go to the bed under your overproof rum and you make love to her and impregnate her.
This is what I say.
You just wash her off.
You, I think about her now.
Mind the youth when him born. That's all. Take your youth from her and make she go back on the street.
Boy, Jegzo. Sorry, me start the rum drinking, brother. Sorry, me stick to smoking, brother. Jegzo, just not tell nobody here, man.
No, me not bridging. Me not do that, man.
Move here, man. So, just hold it down low. Because you see me can call the people over the hospital there. Then take a woman off the road. See? Yes, and it's one time she give birth to the youth. Why?
Don't worry, me give him the first name. If it's a boy, we call him under the proof.
No.
Under proof, yeah. If a boy,
no, name thing me I think about. What? Me sign for him. You go sign for him.
Walk up there and ride the bike. You ride the bike, go up there, you go inside and you sign. Yeah, you sign. Me? You want me for you? Eh?
I don't know that how work, you know. But I sign for him, but I don't know I sign for him.
You have to go do that.
I'm moving.
Alright, look more, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yo, no tell nobody in a Jegzo.
No worry your head, man. Jegzo now crack. Me no crackers, go on. You only piece of motorbike I put in a problem, that's a Richard Mary yard.
Hey girl, that you up there chat say. We used to tell me come out and I kick you in your teeth, but I feel like they can't save you, you know.
What?
Right, in Jegzo, what? Where you going?
Oh, me not see a rum bar there, what you lock up.
Boy, they me there, man. I girl me there wait pan man. Cause a girl promised me one little piece of something, you know.
Hey, you know what say for me, friend? The one that see me at the party?
That's how Rampus?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know, between me and you. You know what say inbreed Mary?
What you mean Mad Mary?
Yes! Breed her!
I'll let you tell.
Follow me and I drink enough. And go there, go lay down with Mary. Say Mary smell good.
Then Rampus really a sleep with the mad woman?
Eh? Stop it now.
Better nobody know there, so me alone there, so man.
Wait, say, I'm a virgin, but I feel sorry for him. Feel sorry.
What tell him when them around the road?
What me say? Not a word.
Then, what you mean not a word?
Not tell nobody.
What you mean?
Keep silent.
Then, remember say Rampus, they will do man.
Yeah, Grace.
He cannot not help the community, sir. He cannot.
No. Listen, and my friend, I can catch up man, he feel like he want to knock it, make him knock it. But only fortunately, he gone too far when he knock me here. Me name knows also under the rum this strong.
Mine and him do it, you know.
Oh! This a dirty dog, yeah. No, me no come. That's when me under my, me know if angle my eyes. Remember say my new cool, you know. Me know say when me look past somebody pretty, me know if you go there, you know good. You understand? When me see them ugly, me say yeah, and they rum and fool me.
Yo! You don't know say Rum?
Hey!
Rum!
Easy,
Miss. If man
hey! Easy, yeah, chef.
the man them
All right.
them message me, they can't hide this.
You are my friend Rampus not pay no food bill over there for me. You are when Rampus go over there to pay me food bill.
Alright.
Inside in front of him.
Alright, no worry yourself, man. No worry yourself. Me not tell nobody.
Reminder.
Me not tell nobody, man. Just keep it between me and you. Between me and you, right, just on the shop.
Remember, yeah, cause shop can't talk. Remember say you owe me one bottle of rum still, you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause the last time you come and drink out, you tell me know what you? You had told the whole of the room like me, I eat that. But you owe me a bottle cause you full up your Pepsi bottle carry home.
Yo, you don't know what's it? You want Rampus asleep with the mad woman for around this are the one drink to just tell me a while ago. Yo, chef! You don't know I see a Rampus asleep with the mad woman around the road. That dirty boy that tell me and they want me tell you, you know. I eat you that tell me.
Tired of now, man. Can't go my yard now, man. And the place over there. Like in that work. Also, I'm not bother one that, you know. Jigsaw. I come check you now. I remember one link where you tell me about one long time where you deal with man. You did one next woman and you know want the rare. Yeah. Yeah, I come check you. Yeah. Yo, tired of me. Jigsaw! Yo! Where you dealing, man?
Oh, you caught me out there?
Yeah.
Why, I'm beat up, man.
Mama there. Auntie? She's not there.
You just happen to with me over, but...
Hey,
huh?
Yo, man, can chat to my brother.
What?
You can't chat to brother.
Why she do?
You know, keep him out, man. Listen what I say now. You can't go deal with this, brother.
I know Mary business that can come and say.
Yeah, I say I can't go deal with the fat up business, you know. So more get rid of the fat up business. You know no link. You know no link where we could make a link. You want to lady there where you did use to get rid of one because thing where you say I deal with.
And that's why, you see, and that's why, you know, good to tell her nothing, you know.
No, but brother, I don't say where me talk nothing. Remember say that the lady will help out to get rid of one of the things here, brother. So I would shout her, give me a number or something and link her and raise it out for me and then put me on to the link, brother. Do me a
See
bit,
the lady with me help out get with her wife and get with her.
Yeah.
She can't get none, you know. So I would advise you to do that.
But you not go on none.
Make it in the band and take it in for yourself.
Yo, give me a link, man. Just do me a beggar, man. My bridge, it a mess me up, man. I can't go my yard, brother. You have to see me yard and pass me yard, brother, every time, brother.
I go and give you my link in about me. Make sure tell you say.
Yeah.
When you left here, so.
Yeah.
I don't make you it.
Alright, sir. I know you. You never give me nothing.
You never give me nothing.
Me, I know, you drink. Hear me say, man. Me never give you nothing. Or you never give me nothing.
Me never give you nothing.
So make you link, man. Make you link, man. And tell her what go on and something, man. And then tell her, say, me come check her.
Teresa. Yeah, man. Yes, I Jigsy. Yeah, man. Yes, for you fighting on me up to. That's true. No, listen, I want my friend. Man, you fix up something for me. It's like the same remedy you fix up.
Yes.
Man, you fix it up for him. Now send him come, they come pick you up for you. Yes, him breed a madman. No, him. Sorry, the rum. Yeah. Never mind, me never did tell us him breed a madman. Right. So you are go fix you up for him and me send him to you. I just give him, make him start out with my start out. I'm ready, I don't want him. Yeah, he live with a woman, man. Right. Yeah. Me know say go to church. Yeah, man. You not allowed it. You're good. Not allowed it. So you're safe. Nobody in the church now here say you do that.
Never.
All right. Thank you. God bless you.
Give me a number now. What's your car now? Where's your name? Teresa.
My word. I don't know nothing about this.
876 was 435 15.
That's why for me, woman, I wonder when can breathe. Me don't want nobody know about this guy. She ever find out, say, and me at the cause of why I breathe. Me no problem.
Alright, hear me say now. You check her now and come back. You check her now and link, eh?
Yeah, man, do the right thing.
Respect you, man.
While you go on the way, think if you should do it or.
So, hold on, I want to this I drink.
Cool off, I rum.
Never see you drink water.
Rum, have me away. I can't move from Mali more and try move up on the road and can't.
Alright, hear me say. I check you, lady.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, man. I hold you, now.
Yeah.
Guess what? I'm glad saying I tell nobody, you know.
No, for what?
I'm glad.
Yeah.
We respect you, brother.
Respect.
So, me all link you here. Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
You help me, man.
I rub me having this. You talk about water.
Hello? Yes, is this Miss Teresa, the pharmacist lady? Right. I want my brother to give me a number. Yeah, so where could I meet you right now? Because I really need to talk to you. Alright, I'm coming now. Yes, I know that lane, you know. So it's coming in the lane, the first house on the left. Alright, I'm coming to you. It's just a business. You know, yeah. Yeah, one deal with something, you understand? Alright. Coming right now, no? Yes. Catch on a wide seat.
What's up?
Miss Teresa?
Right.
The pharmacist.
Right, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Same.
Yeah, so I'm a brethren tell me about you, you know, so you tell me say you do them things that you can get read a certain things.
You already explained what you want.
Yeah. So how much that will cost me now?
50.
50?
Yes.
Wow. 50.
Yes. We actually do, we have to have the person there, and after everything we have to give the person antibiotics. So you cover everything. Everything is covered.
But I don't know if my friend did explain to you, it's not a regular person you're dealing with, you know, it's like would I want to get read differently without even the person know like
in, no problem, don't worry yourself. I'll just give you a full dose.
Alright, so alright, you know what? Deal with it. Alright.
Would you have access to put it in the person's drink?
Yes.
It do not take long to dissolve, you know, so you just and that's
oh, so I can put in a person's drink.
yes. It will just dissolve, not showing anything at all. It just, that's it. Get rid of everything.
Alright. Yeah, I go down on my yard and come up. I round up to 50,000.
No problem.
And come up and check it. Yeah?
I should wait on you, right?
Yes.
Alright.
So
We're waiting on you.
Yes.
Alright, drive, go good?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So fast we come back, mommy.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
You mean business?
Yes, man.
Remember what I said, you know?
Right.
Remember not to leave the bottle, alright?
Right. No, man, we know for this. You say dissolve in a drinks.
Yeah, just store it overnight and it just make sure everything go inside, right?
Thanks.
Alright.
Somebody may have to go make deal with this for me, you know. That person. You're not going to understand still, but the person there in the street.
Just ensure it's done properly. Tell them everything. You do a little stir and that's it.
Okay, alright. The person there in the street, you take him on. Okay. Sometimes them are hungry in the street, you know.
True. I understand.
Yeah. Now say me say still in the nurse. Yeah. Now say me said.
You're a good man.
Alright.
This is between me and you.
Yes, I remember it have to safe because I remember few work different a back door deal I do to you know, so.
Don't worry yourself.
You understand, so.
Between the two of us.
Thank you very much, so. Thank you, because you saved me, you know. The whole community go look for my body now, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When you have bat, just bat good no man.
That's true, man.
But a bat and
but you know, so auntie, it's a long story, you know.
Yeah?
Because this is what happened to me should never happen to me, you know.
True.
Me say the rum make it's alright. You see like we're brown and pretty. I saw the rum make one person look brown and pretty and nice and sexy like you.
True.
And I go full force, you know.
Yeah, but
this never go, you know. When I say dinner man, I pump you hard, dinner man. Boy, nurse, thank you. So you said throw this in a person
just
drinks.
throw it in the drink. And look at you. waiting to drink, a little shake, and that's it.
That's it. Alright.
I have nothing else to worry about.
And then
Everything is in it.
and then nothing now go come up no up some.
No.
Nothing now go get big and yeah, alright. So thanks again.
Yeah, man, and I have to set up.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
take
Big up
care.
yourself. So yeah,
Alright.
I feel big up this.
Yes, man. Fine.
Alright, big up yourself. Yeah,
Alright,
so
take
nice
care.
to hear.
Thanks.
Alright, woman. Yeah. She look up there. Most people are for money. Look faster people. Alright. Auntie, good evening. These are both pass it through. Teresa, you're a genius, you know. These are about pass it through. Alright, see me up there. How this?
My baby father, you come.
Don't say that, man. Don't say that out loud.
Eh?
No, I said don't say that.
Yeah, my baby father. I'm glad to see you come. I'm glad to see you.
Hold on, man.
I'm a chain where you did buy, give me this. My Chicago bull.
Alright, you know what I say? I go move. Yeah, I can't want to jinx you.
I'm mad.
Mary, you can't let nobody see that. Mary, you can't let nobody see that. Mary, give me that. Mary, give me that. Mary, watch your man. Give me that. Mary, nobody see that.
You feel mind your picnic.
Mary, nobody will see.
You feel mind your picnic, me say. Mind your picnic.
See us, we can't drink. Drinks, Mary. Make sure you drink, you know. Make sure you drink that, you know.
Rampus, don't move me. I don't want it. I don't want nothing from you. You idiot. Rampus. Rampus can't leave me. What's you? You Rampus. I call you. Rampus, what did you just do to me? You just come and look for me and give me drinks alone and go and left me. And the baby long for see you. You don't want to talk to me because you give me bun. I go call police for you because I want back my drag. Rampus, I know I love you. Rampus, I love you. Rampus, please come over. What? You go fine? And me and the baby I go. Me I go tell the people them at the airport say you know if you go through without me. Because I'm pregnant for you. I have 5 months now. Alright, you love me for true? Alright then. Yeah, later. Hey, wait there, come here man, come here.
Me?
Yes, you come. Please turn off that. Much nice. Much nice. Please turn it off.
Mr. Althea, you stop me so hard, Mr. Althea.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you one question.
Yes, Mr. Althea.
You know some of my daughter have a mental problem. What the hell you breed my daughter for?
Me, Mr. Althea.
Are you a breeder? Are you a breeder? Me see you on her all the time, you know, and me ask her, who the young man there?
Mr. Althea, you see me?
Yes, are you? Are you? Because she not have no other man. Me not see she talk to no other man. Are you? All the time I see you come in, and I see you walk up and down with my daughter. I know you get my daughter in a trouble.
Mr. Althea,
you have to mind the pitney, you know. I'm sorry, but I can't go to court if you don't mind the pitney.
I like people tell lie for me.
I don't like me. I tell upon you. Why a big woman would like me without tell lie? Eh? You think I look a young careless girl? Me a big woman.
Mr. Althea, take time to talk to my people.
You become very upset.
Your daughter not open her brain, Mr. Althea. You tell me some me.
And you know, so she have a look mental.
But me do that, Mr. Althea.
Are you?
Your daughter not bother breathing.
Are you?
I mean, your daughter not breathing.
I mean, my daughter not pregnant. And me by a person, our things them at one time, you know, personal things them. And from there, but
what am I do on the road? No, take care. What am I do that's upon the road then?
Listen, about 5 months now, she not see nothing.
What?
About 5 months now.
She do what?
She not see her period, she a breeder. Me got it from...
What me have to do with that, Mr. Althea? Mr. Althea, what me have to do with that, Mr. Althea?
Listen, man, may have nothing. No, may you have nothing.
Mr. Althea.
Listen, me not a nice person to deal with, you know. Me I tell you from now, you know. So you make sure, say, that pitney there, and you got to me I care about court.
Your daughter not bother breed, Mr. Althea. Your daughter not bother breed.
Oh, you mean my daughter not bother breeder?
I tell you the truth, Mr. Althea. Mr. Althea, you can't bother them as them embarrassment that...
Yeah, a long time I hear about you, you know. A long time I hear about you.
You can't make my...
But I want him to tell you now. One thing I go tell you. You say if you not step up, me have 2 bad breed cousin. A country and me go get man make them mess you up.
Mr. Althea, check me, Mr. Althea.
No, check me, I tell you the truth.
Mr. Althea, me could have breed Mad Mary.
Yeah, are you breeder?
Oh, where you hear that from?
Me not have to tell you who me hear it from and how me know. Me not have to tell you, I tell you, so you have to go step up to the player.
So that boy the jigsaw.
You have to step up to the player.
Mr. Althea, hold on it. I don't want brother named Jigsaw tell her.
Me not go tell her who tell me.
No, sir, I couldn't Jigsaw.
So,
but listen, don't say me do that, because I never do that to them.
So let me ask you a question. Why you have to call that young man name?
No,
me know something.
No, me just say that because I hear what you going to say. You listen to me, Mr. Althea. You can't stay there. Anyway, later.
No, me forgot country, you know.
Me never breed.
You make sure you come here and talk to me and tell me. Me say make sure you come here and talk to me about my pitney.
Your daughter not open her brain, don't do that.
Alright. Right. We'll see. You're damn fat, you. You must take me a nice man for play.
Alright, man. Feel like you can't tire me.
Oh, God, I'm mercy. Hey, I tell you.
Yes, sir. What's that? Gracie! Gracie! How much you done here?
You come with the excitement, fat.
Hey, boy! Hold on. What you done here in my house? Gracie! Me break in, you have in my house? I do what?
Now, but I call loud up your mouth, so.
Oh.
But it can mad you and it can junk you. So the two of them have the same, similar, but different type.
Well, that's a Gracie. Here's a Gracie in the street, I drink rum now, brother. What she never used to drink, but she always tell me, say, me not to drink.
Gracie, I drink rum now?
Because I'm situation, brother.
Me want to find where Gracie I drink rum because I want to drink some of what Gracie I buy because a long time.
Tear from a woman, brother.
No, me don't want your woman, but a free rum did it. I will did here.
Oh, no one my boy said that to me another day. Hey, where you Jackson in?
Me and Jackson ain't nothing. I can't see me and sitting. Because
yes, so
in a day for me.
You so long me not there? You know what me I do? I hustle me a hustle. You think I come now and come here? Eh? When I hear all sorts of sitting boy me and nothing go so. Eh? You so long me not come here?
Me go on and take time talk to me. Take time talk to me, here.
Jesus. What you mean take time talk to you?
Hello. You never did a go on so when you out the road a breed mad woman, you know. You think me not hear about it? After 5 months, you not come here, I know you come here, come load up your mouth.
Hey, me not bother breathe now, madam, no. She not breathing, no. I mean, no, madam, not breathing, no.
You not bother breathe no, man.
No, I mean, say,
God if you true.
Gracie, so what that have to do with my virgin I do yes or no? What that have to do with my virgin I do in my house?
Things a man go on. It not go work. It not go work between me and you. You know much shame and disgrace you bring down for me?
Me not drink no more rum, no. You see me with rum? You see me with rum?
Me tired for
check my water boat. You see me with rum?
I want next thing you know. You know much time me talk to you about the rum drinking there?
But me not drink no more rum. Are you? Me yes I drink rum. Are you me? Can't believe. You see the boy that jugs up? You see? Yo, you better me even bother come here now. Hey, Gracie. Hey, you see you? Oh, you be a jugs in that place?
Not safe. No.
Oh, you be a jugs in that place?
Come here, come closer. How you want to hold me about with ears so me and you over here?
Talk, man. What you say?
Where you come see me and Jigsaw do? Eh?
Oh, you mean you and Jigsaw lie down on my bed when I buy? When I just out from courts?
Attack him, attack to me and we drop.
But me never see Jigsaw. Me and Jigsaw bedroom and Jigsaw never come here yet. So what Jigsaw do here? For much weeks now, me not come here, me a work, me a do how much car on the road. And Jigsaw fi come here now.
Listen what me I say. Me there stress out and Jigsaw there for me and you never there for me. You understand what I say?
Oh.
Where you there for 5 months?
Me not tell you something, I catch a trade now, me a do a couple car day.
And you can't even call me?
So my phone and kinda, my phone drop in the water, you know. I fix it back, you know. Look for it, see it, you know.
The last time I see you on the day when me and Mad Mary turn up down out right at the gate this south. Right at the gate, me and Mary turn up and your wheel gone so.
Yes, sir. So I see where they could have come tear down the place, I don't know. Me come here, you know. Yeah, are them on me there, van?
No.
So me not come here. Me not come here. Me come here, come change and bathe when I go and walk.
Me not there.
And I say when I go, and I say when I'm not there.
Listen, right now it's not gonna work. You just take your things and just
Out of my own plate, me take my things and go and Gracie.
Listen, me a come and learn why.
You drink too much rum.
Forget this now.
So you forget this? Me could go to court then, cause you come like say you drink rum, you know. Hey, me a go road then. Me not depend on war with you, no Gracie, cause you see all the boy jigs up. National, what you going with, man?
Boy, you know they are easy. Boy, they are a bit special. But wait. I walk here, where bike there?
Me left it down there, somebody want some gas.
So you bought out of gas?
No, man. We get that now, and that me come link about, you know, Aya. Remember the eye tell me now what time, couple months ago, said the rum is the way. And the rum is the thing where me fi drink. Cure my stress and all them thing there. I know I try it now, my general, and right now, be a problem you're causing, the rum are causing my life, you know.
Might you drink too much?
No, I don't drink too much, man.
When you drink too much, it will get problem. And the problem will get.
No, but you
mash up your life.
But you tell me say you're not going to cause no problem in my life, general. So, we don't understand.
If you say you drink too much, so you drink too much, you will drop off a tree.
General, you know what's happening?
And get trouble.
Well, you know what's happening happen to me? What you want to know? Nobody now here, sir. You know what I'm saying? You know Mad Mary
Yes, man.
As an elder, you know, you alone, me I tell you. Because only you and one of my brethren alone know, you know. So you know, so I got one party the night, General, a couple months ago. And I dance with a sweet, pretty browning. Not even know say rum and tell me fool in the set. A sweet, pretty browning, brother. Yeah. And I didn't even know some of me I did a dance with.
Yes, you wrong.
Yeah, that's man. Man, I feel listen to you so many times still.
No, man, remember say me a elder, you know. Me a elder, so you have to learn. Me a elder, you have to learn.
So I can't dash your rum how long?
Then I learn me why you have to learn.
I know after I rum mash me up, you choose to dash your rum in front of me, elder.
Yes, man, I learn me why you have to learn. You know say rum no good sitting.
Is that alright?
I go on.
Yes, I am. You look better. I'm going to tackle this one now, because it's my next one to win. Tell man both go drink rum. Oh wait, Castor.
How that Rampus?
But there man, wait, Lizard not there.
Boy, you know say me no see him from morning, me there so I wait for him and him want to see him and even see him. Go on easy,
man,
True.
Real man. So you look so?
Boy, be a problem me I go through, you know, Dan. Be a problem me I tell you, Lizard me all day I wait for my friend. Yeah.
How you say,
say man introduce me to Roman, and be a problem long me I did me and my woman. Be a vibes. Right now my woman supposed to along there pack up. Lizard me want to see.
Yo, what you say while ago, brother? What you say while ago?
I tell him.
What you say while ago?
Introduce me to Rum, and I tell you, be a problem.
This man we have a star, that's a Lizard.
This man we have a star.
What make you think we can check him now? What make you think we can check him?
That him do to you too. Say man introduce me to Rum and shake up my life, me I tell you, my friend. Tell me I tell you.
Brother, I can't believe, brother. I said the man introduced me to Rum as well. And right now, I go through the same thing, brother.
You say that you go through too?
Same thing I go through, brother. Right now, if you tell you what I go on, you will even understand, you will know what I go on, brother. With me, brother. I can't believe, say, yo, at this time, I say, I come check, you know. To wile him up, you know.
Man, I selling fruits, them, and the man I introduce everybody and say about rum. And man, I make everything I go on. I cause everything you say I go on that place, you know.
Brethren, I just go while up the next elder up, I say a while ago, I say, him, I come while up, you know.
I make him and them a drink rum, me I tell you. This man, yeah.
Boy, I tell you what. I be a problem panel and with the rum, brother. Hey, it's like when you talk out for your thing. Eh?
Yeah.
Me can't talk out for my thing, say, you know. Castor. Castor, me tell you for me thing can't talk out. Castor, me say, me say, I come link, right? And I have to tell him, say, look, you know. You see this, brother, yo, get rid of it, brother. And I'm buying about, put you one side about.
Watch a clear.
Show you, say, are you drink this, this one?
Yeah, I'm drinking since morning, me there.
No, man, brother, no. Not be yourself, so brother, man.
No. Chest out there.
General, no, man. No, I know me buy still, brother, but do me a beggar, man. Put some one side, make a reason. I say, I can't tell nobody for me thing. See, I you talk up for your thing, say, yeah, if your woman I go through Ilka stress and
yeah,
for me thing, I have to keep it anonymous.
Let me tell you the truth still in a Rampus. Me hear about your thing, you know. Me hear about your thing, man.
Yeah, what you say? You hear about my thing?
Yeah, man, me hear loud in the street, man. Me hear about your thing.
What you hear? What you hear, brother? Tell me what you hear.
I hear say you breed Mary, me I tell you, dog.
Me breed Mary, brother.
That
okay,
me hear.
Yeah, man, I'm tell man, brother. Yo, man, I like you sitting there, brother. You know, say,
Loud, man. I tell you, say loud.
So, how you mean, say loud, brother? I'm not, you know.
Tell you the truth. You know, say a bun key and tell me, say a Jigsaw tell him about it. Bun Cane, tell me about it.
So hold on. Jigsaw tell Bun Cane.
Yeah, Bun Cane tell me about it, say a Jigsaw tell him about it, I'll chef me here with the argument. He loud me I tell you man, he loud man.
Yo, chef! Chef! You don't know I see a rampus asleep in the mad man on the road. That the boy that tell me and they want me tell you, you know.
But me just want to hear from you if you know if I true, you know, because true, I don't really know if I true, you know, I just want to hear, you see me?
You know, so I don't really me do it though.
I know you do it.
No, alright. Watch out. You can't explain how you go on still now. See? Boy, you can't miss your Jigsaw do this, brother. You can't, brother. Let go it no man. Let go it no man.
True. Let it go here, man.
Let go it no man, because this will put you in a deeper problem, you know, brother.
I mean, I tell you, say, a lizard cause it.
I him cause it, brother.
A lizard cause.
I'm a national cause it from my side.
I never drink from a beer, I drink in when the man introduced me to the rum, I say the same.
General, that's some up a couple months ago, I say I come from upper poor boy, they crash off by dead yard, you know.
Yeah, where we bury where there.
Yeah. I'm still so boom and come check the general right as and the general I say yo rare. And two me go check national same way. And national tell me same thing, same day, you know. Is that man them convince me brother?
Two of them are work man. I supposed to brother them, you know.
I brother them?
Supposed to brother them man. Two of them are do it.
So you know say that man they tell me straight say glad say me drop off a rum tree.
Who that? National?
National brother.
You can't go find better out of national, you know, because I tell you say man this man your brother.
Oh, so yo, you me say brother. You see me everything you know. For me I forward from still you know.
True.
You know say it look like he goes still.
You say it look like he goes but you're not really sure.
I'm not really sure, but me say it goes still because you know say me got one party one couple months ago. And I did it with a sweet, pretty browning, brother. The browning sweet like a sugar, brother. But Jigsaw never tell me, say, I'm Mary, because to me under my rum, you know.
When you under your rum, make you see things different, you know.
Brother, I say, suppose you see a girl round and brown.
I tell you, rum, make you see things different.
Eh?
A rum, like the man there with it. You know about it?
Yeah.
Ja, know you. I say, I feel it for you, man.
My friend. You know, so if you look at you know.
You right now, man, bro. Them even know say I say funeral earlier. What time now? Mary.
Yeah.
She pregnant?
Yeah. I say nothing to nobody still, no brother. So you feel something to make you out forward. No, but you wanna. Me did something already, you know. You not gonna have no baby, you know.
You not gonna have a baby?
No, you not gonna have no baby.
No, man. Make a youth born, man.
Eh?
Make a youth born, me I tell you, man. You see me? Make a youth born, man.
Can't make me youth born and that is a mad woman and a mother, brother.
Don't happen already, you know, dog. Don't happen already, and find a fear youth just make him born. You see me, a youth can live with you. You see it?
Castro, you know, so as a young youth. And you alone tell me that, Castro. All like hell of them, Castro. Never tell me this yet. No care me reason with the hell of them.
I see you around so much elder.
I say you are hell of them. I way, brother.
Right, and everything changing. You know. Young youth, them a help people. You know, elder, they not help nobody. You know. All them are all young people. You know. Things change.
I'm not really say that, but I just say wrong elder them sometime. You know. I tell you them, brother.
To find the right elder them nowadays.
But yo, I'm fine and make sure it's safe here.
Yeah, man, alright. So where bike there?
The bike?
Yeah.
The bike round there, man.
Alright,
do what you want, man.
Alright, do what you have to do, man. Do what you have to do.
Maggy Films. Maggy.
Why? feel laugh out loud. Me I feel laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rum from country. Them rum will let you lonely. Inna the road, they dump on the ground. The old thinking dirty white rum. Me done the Appleton buckle for Senti. And the Kingston rum just attempt me. I want dege rum make me run. And I the thinking dirty white rum. Boodoo baf, boodoo bell, boodoo baf, boodoo baf. And the sound of me hear when him drop. Oh God. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Oh. My friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf baf. I saw him drop. Hey, boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Oh, boodoo baf. Yo, dirty thinking white room. Boodoo baf. Me I feel laugh out loud. Me I feel laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rum from country. Them rum will let you lonely. Inna the road, they dump on the ground. The old thinking dirty white rum.
Anyway, if you no full jar the movie, I want to just subscribe. What I say? Subscribe, right? Yeah man, I saw I go show this a channel of support. One Maggy Films and never two. Big up all of the youths out there who support Maggy Films. Big up all of the old people and the young people and big up everybody. See? I feel love in our street, brother. Feel love in our street system. I love what I go and see. One Maggy Films and never two. I remember now, no, the donation link there in the comment section. The lady need to do a surgery. So anybody out there can assist, they don't know the information there in the description. See? Big up on yourself again. See? Yeah.
Under mi rum and cigarette.
Under mi rum. Under mi rum. Under mi rum.
Under mi rum. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Yeah man, you're from your voice and see face, you don't know say a Color Book TV boss and Maggy Films there. And we represent for Swizzle Body HQ. And remember, you can stop right here and have a drink. Nampre Road, and just check it out. Swizzle Body HQ. Check it out.
Guys, please subscribe. I hope you like this video. But I'm not here again.